Okay, so in this question, we're doing a skip list traversal. Um, or like you're basically searching in a skip list for a certain element. So just recap of skip lists. It's the one thing you need to add on both sides is this negative infinity on the left and the positive infinity on the right. And their height will be kind of whatever height the max height is in your skip list. So in this case, we look through and okay, we see it's 4. So I'll insert the heights now. Okay, so let's see, 40 has height 2. So let's just call this height 1, and then that's height 2. Actually, no, let's do one more. Okay, so 40 has height 2. 41 has height 1. That's actually, I'm just going to quickly do this because they're all going to have height at least 1. Okay. Okay, okay. So let's do 43 now. 43 has height 3. So we're going to go like that. What's next? 48 has height 1. Skip it because we already drew it. 54 is height 3. Okay, so that's going to be the same as this. 59 is height 1. 77 is height 4, so that's the new height. Gee, I want to erase that. That was bad. Shit. Or crap. Okay, I like that better. Okay, so that was the highest one. What's next? 128 is height 2. Okay. 131 is also height 2. What's next? 4. Oh man, man. Okay, I didn't draw 139. So I don't think that changes the answer. So I'm actually just gonna ignore it. Yeah, it'd be too much work to redraw it. So let's just ignore it. It's not gonna change our answer at all. Okay, so 148 has height 1. 161 has height 3. So like that. 170 has height 2. 179 has height 1. So we had, and 189 is height 1. Okay, now let's draw the infinities. Their height's gonna be the same as the biggest one. I don't know why this one is so wide. That doesn't matter too much though. Yeah, this one is kind of weird. It shouldn't be this wide. Doesn't matter though. Okay. Cool. So, let's draw the links now. So this one links here. This one links here. And this one does not have a link. Actually, none of these will have links here. So I'll draw them all as null. This one has a link. Whoops. Here. This one links here. Here. Yeah, here. And then this one, I don't really have much space, so I'll go like that. Goes there. This one goes there. Actually, that one is like another one of those adjacent ones. Yeah, maybe I should have given gaps between these. Whatever. Okay, and then I'm not gonna draw the links to the bottom one. Be a waste of time. But they would all look like this, like where they're all just pointing to the next one. Okay, so now draw the resulting skip list after adding the following blah blah blah. Highlight the links traverse to find 148. Okay, so let's let's use the highlighter. Actually, the yellow is really, let's just use a different color. Let's just do red. Okay, so we're first going to start at negative infinity at the highest height. So here. So, okay, we go here. And we're at 77. So you kind of keep going until the next one you do would overshoot. Okay, so if I took 77 and I went to the next one, I would overshoot because then I'd be at infinity. And infinity is larger than, what are we looking for? We're looking for 148. Let me write that. Okay, we're looking for 148. Look at that later. So, okay, so now we're at 77, so we're kind of here. we're going to go down a height and keep going. So now we're here, right here. And are we going to take that jump? No, because 161, if we did jump, that's too high because 161 is larger than 148, which is what we're looking for. So we sink down another level. So now we're at this height 2. And okay, what's the next one? It's 128. So that's actually not going to overshoot. So we will take that. So I'll do that. So now we're at 128. The next one's 131. That's not going to overshoot. Let's take it. The next one, now we're here. The next one's 161, and that does overshoot. Okay, so let's sink down a height. So we're here, and the next one won't overshoot. It's actually going to be exactly equal to what we want. So we go there, and then we say, yes, this list does have 48 in it. So we're right here. So, oh man, what the? Okay, and let's count how many things we did. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. So we took 4 links to get there. And note that if we did binary, how much would be a binary search do? How many are there? There's 14. There's 15 in here. So binary search would take, because this is around in the middle, log base 2 of, actually no, let's just actually figure it out. There's 15 here, so what's the middle one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 14, so the middle one's like about 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, and now we're gonna recurse on this part. Why would it do that? Now we're looking, dang. Now we're looking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The middle one is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'd be like here, and now we're looking. Okay, so yeah, I think. Okay, it looks like it does like exactly. Yeah, I think if you look at it, it'll do exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 checks in binary search as well. But note that we can kind of in building the list, you just kind of use up less power than if you did a binary search tree, like on like if you there's a little bit of probability involved because of the heights and the randomness of like the different heights you have. In this case, it actually ended up being not too bad. So I actually don't really see skip lists used that often, like or like on exams and stuff. But if you can do a problem like this, you're probably fine for skip lists. I wouldn't spend like a whole like day on it or anything like that. If you can do this, then I think you're good. Okay, I think that's the last question. Yeah, so that's the last question. That's it for this discussion. Yeah, if you have any questions, we have I think we have threads on Piazza, or you can come to office hours and ask us. So, but yeah, that concludes this this walkthrough of discussion 12.